Saturated and unsaturated carbon compounds. Carbon forms many compounds. The two main types of compounds are saturated compounds and unsaturated compounds. Saturated compounds. The carbon and hydrogen compounds, where the adjacent carbon atoms contain only one single covalent bond, are known as saturated hydrocarbons. The reason for the formation of saturated hydrocarbons is because all the four bonds of carbon are fully utilized and no more hydrogen or other atoms can be attached to it. These are known as alkanes. Unsaturated compounds. Compounds of carbon and hydrogen that contain double or triple covalent bonds between the carbon atoms are called unsaturated hydrocarbons. These are formed as all the bonds of carbon are not fully utilized by hydrogen atoms and more of these bonds can be attached to them. Double covalent bond unsaturated hydrocarbons are known as alkenes and triple covalent bond unsaturated hydrocarbons are known as alkynes.